Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Juliet from Juliet's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to make some orders, but right now I'm gonna use the Siser HTV vinyl. So this episode is how to make a shirt using a Siser HTV with a Cricut machine Explorer 2. So I'd like to thank everyone who keeps supporting this channel, who keeps watching all my videos, especially those DIYs or how-to videos, and I hope you continue supporting this channel. So for those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe this channel and just turn on your bell notifications so you are updated every time I posted some new videos like DIYs or some stuff. So the only thing that you need for this for making a shirt, it's simple. You need the vinyl, you need the machine, you need the weeder, which is where you can weed the vinyl, and then of course you need the shirts for that. Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through. This is easy step. It's just that if your design is complicated, that's the hard part, especially when you read those design. So it's so easy and simple. So let's go. Guys, so right now I'm just setting up all my designs with my computer. So I'm gonna load it in a few minutes in my machine. Just want to show you real quick. These are the designs. So somebody ordered, it's a Instacart uniform. By the way guys, if you would like to order for the customization, you can just DM me. Right now I'm working still with my website, but it's gonna be up soon, hopefully first week of April. So right now I'm just lining up everything with my computer through the design space. So these are the first design that I'm going to load, so I'll be right back. Now I have the vinyl ready. I'm gonna load this in that Cricut machine. So just give me 1 second here. So first, before I forgot, so once you put in place the design, don't forget to mirror it. So just one tip guys, since our design is loading, just in case, this one is the cutter, you know, the blade of the machine. So that's the blade. Sometimes it goes it needs to sharpen. So my tip is, I just got this in one of the videos also in YouTube. So get the foil and then crumple it like this, and then press this one so you can see the edge, because if not it's gonna be like that. So once you press it, try to poke how many times in the foil so it will sharpen your blade. You don't need to change for now. Me, I have this since last year, I guess. I never changed this since I bought this machine. I bought this mid of last year. So sometimes it goes outside. So what you're gonna do is just put it in the hole, and it's gonna stick inside because it's kind of magnet. There's a magnet at the bottom of the blade. So I think this is enough. It's sharp enough already, so we're gonna put it back in our machine. So hey guys, so just an update. I have a lot of stocks in there. I don't have enough space yet, but hopefully soon I'm gonna have my own space. But anyways, just an update. Our first batch, you're not gonna see it, the design really, because I didn't with it, but once I with it, you're gonna be able to see the design. But anyways, I just finished this first cutting, and it's second batch of the design. So I need to cut 10 of those, and then I have another colored, which is combination of green and orange, because it's Instacart uniform that somebody ordered from Florida. And yeah, so right now I don't have a space like I said, so since this is long, I don't have enough table for that. And this mat is 24 inches, so it's good when you have a lot, when you need to cut, like if you have a lot that needs to be cutted. So yeah, while I'm working, so right now, well, our little machine is working, so right now I'm gonna do the weeding of this first batch so you can see the design. So when I weed, I have these tools from Cricut also. There's a sizes in there, and the other side is like this. And then I have this weeding tool that's like that, the tip. And then I have this vinyl that I have to weed, so you can see the design. Alright, so let me cut this. Usually there's like excess here, so I maximize the vinyl. A lot of excess here that I can use in my next project, and I can cut it. It's like more than 2 inches, I guess. So I have this excess that you can use in your next design. So So this is the design. It's an Instacart. This goes at the back of the shirt. There. Okay, so it's the same as the front one. It's just that it's a colored one. So same process. You know, I have the design ready before, so that's why I was able to do it right away. And then same process, once you have the design, cut it in your machine, weed it, and then the last part is we're going to heat press this with a heat press machine, and I will show you that in a while. Okay, so I'll be right back. So before I forgot, in your design space, it will tell you how many percent is the cutting, like, so it's gonna show like this one, it's almost done. And there you go, 100%. And once it's done, it's unloading from the machine. Alright, and then you're gonna see this button that's it's blinking. You have to press it to release the mat. And there we go. Hey everyone, so right now I'm going to heat press all the design. So I have 10 shirts that I'm going to heat press with my heat press. It's already ready, and I have all the designs cutted already. Show you how I do heat press. Well, actually, so before I forgot, the heat press setting, it should be for the Siser Easy Width. It should be 305 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds. And then you're gonna heat press the shirt first for like 1 to 2 seconds. Remove the lint with the lint roller, and then you can heat press, cover it with this parchment paper, and then heat press in 305 for 15 to 20 seconds. So I'll show you how I do it. And hold on. In front of the shirts already, I have to press another design at the back. This is the finished product of the front design. It says Instacart. This is the final product of the back shirt. This is the front one. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process for the rest of 9 shirt. Hey guys, so I'm back, and time check, it's 11:20 p.m. So I already finished this 10 shirts. So that's how you make money, and you can start selling online with a customization. So I guess that's it for tonight, and I'll see you in the next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe on this channel, and I'm gonna post more videos like this in the future. I'm gonna start making a shirts using a screen print from home. Probably I'm gonna use the HTV vinyl, and I'll show you on how to make those using the HTV vinyl, the stencil. Stay tuned for that. Actually, I just want to introduce you my website. So if you are interested, go to my website. I'm gonna post the link in the description box below, and you can subscribe to my newsletter. So I have a lot of promotions, sales, and for the launch date, I'm gonna have promotions for that as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. You can just leave your email in there, and so you are updated for the new promotions, sales, discounts, and everything. So don't forget also to follow my business page for my Instagram and Facebook, which is at Design by Juliet. My TikTok is at Design by Juliet. So I'm gonna post the link in the description box below. So that's it for now, and have a nice day or have a good night. Bye.